रोहित, ऋषभ पंत पिछली 2 सीरीज में यहाँ पर आउटस्टैंडिंग रहे थे। इस बार भी उनसे काफ़ी उम्मीदें थी, तो क्या ऋषभ के साथ क्या उम्मीदों का दबाव है?
नहीं है, ऐसा कोई दबाव नहीं है। देखिए अभी 2 ही टेस्ट मैचेस 3 टेस्ट मैचेस ही उन्होंने खेले यहाँ पर। रिसेंटली अच्छे फॉर्म में है। इंडिया में उन्होंने अच्छे रन्स बनाए। ऑस्ट्रेलिया में उनका रिकॉर्ड अच्छा है। तो 2 या 3 टेस्ट मैचेस ऊपर नीचे होने के बाद ज़्यादा जजमेंट करना सही नहीं है। उनको पता है कि उनको क्या करना है। जैसे मैंने बताया कि ये सारे लड़के गिल, जायसवाल, गिल, ये सब एक ही बोट में है। तो इनसे ज़्यादा इन इन ये लोग जो चीज़ें करते, उन चीज़ों को ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेट हम लोग को करना नहीं है। उनको पता है कि उनसे क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस है, वो सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है। और हमारा काम यहाँ पर ये होता है कि उनको बार बार समझाया जाए और बताया जाए कि छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जहाँ पे मैच अवेयरनेस, मैच सिचुएशन, ये सब चीज़ों के बारे में उनसे बात करते हैं हम। इससे ज़्यादा मुझे नहीं लगता कि उनसे बात करके उनके उनके जो प्लान्स है, उनके जो थॉट प्रोसेस है, उसको कॉम्प्लिकेट करना ज़रूरी है। ऋषभ पंत को पता है कि उससे क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस है, और उनको भी यहाँ पर खुद से भी काफ़ी उम्मीदें हैं। हम लोग का तो छोड़ो, उसको खुद को अपने आप से बहुत एक्सपेक्टेशंस है। तो सर्टनली अपने गेम में काम कर रहे, मेहनत कर रहे। ये 2 मैचेस में शायद कुछ अच्छा हो।
थैंक यू।
Team has been treated by Australia and Australian media in the past few days as well. Have you been unhappy with the treatment?
I'm not aware of what kind of treatment has.
Yeah. रोहित, यहाँ के विकेट पर क्यूरेटर ने कहा निरंतर बाउंस होगा।
नहीं, देखिए अभी पता नहीं है यार, ये वेदर फोरकास्ट 100% एक्यूरेट नहीं होता है। बट देखते हैं अभी, मतलब विकेट देखेंगे कि कितना घास है विकेट पे, स्पिनर्स का कितना यूज़ होगा भी या नहीं, ये सब देखना पड़ेगा। आज का ही दिन है हमारे पास, कल ऑफ है। ग्राउंड्समैन भी शायद ग्राउंड पे नहीं आने वाले कल। तो जो भी करना है हमें आज करना होगा विकेट देखकर। बट देखिए यूजुअली यहाँ पे पिछले जो 2 या 3 टेस्ट मैचेस हुए, विकेट पे उतना घास था नहीं, काफ़ी ड्राई विकेट लग रहा था। बट सर्टेनली ये तो मुझे ड्राई विकेट नहीं लग रहा है। बट देखेंगे हम लोग, विकेट को ठीक से एनालाइज करेंगे, देखेंगे कि क्या इस विकेट पर सही कॉम्बिनेशन हो सकता है, एंड फिर उस हिसाब से डिसीजन लेंगे।
Since he's one of the modern great batsmen of modern day cricket, so you will just let him handle, or because it happened a few times in the past, last 2 years में थोड़ा बार हुआ है, तो will you say as a old teammate, अरे wide है तो छोड़ देना यार? Will you say that, or you just?
You only said it, he's a modern day great, so
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So will you let it be, because it happened a few times, would you say, or you just say?
modern day greats will figure out their own way of that path, you know. Yeah. Yeah, Tanush was here a month back, and Kuldeep, I don't think has a visa yet, and we wanted somebody to get here as quickly as possible. Tanush was the one who was ready, and he played here. Not that it's just a joke. Not that Tanush is not good enough. He's shown in the last 2 years what he's done in domestic cricket, and we really wanted just a backup in case we need spinners, 2 spinners playing here or in Sydney. You need a backup option. Kuldeep obviously is not 100% fit. He recently went through a hernia surgery. And the other options like Aksar recently had a baby, so he's not going to travel. So Tanush was the right option for us at this point, and he's certainly shown, in the domestic level, what he's capable of. That he's probably one of the reason why Mumbai has gone on to win the Ranji Trophy last year. Played a major role as an all-rounder, in fact. So a very good option for us in case we need him. Just so that all areas are covered.
The last few questions. Yeah.
Captain, an update on your knee. How is it going there after that?
No, it's fine.
It's fine. And then any update about how the batting is coming across? Your batting personally. You spoke about how you were unhappy with how things are going on, but in the last couple of sessions, how did you prepare for this boxing?
Nothing has changed since the last I spoke about it. We've had 2 sessions. So in those 2 sessions, there's what can change.
No, with the practice pitches, they keep having a variable bounce.
See, I think those pitches which we trained the last couple of days, I think they were used pitches. I think they were used for Big Bash. And now today is the only day where we are going to get the other side of it, which will be fresher wicket. So we'll go and see how it is and we'll train accordingly.
Would you be very happy with that position coming into Melbourne?
Yeah, look, absolutely. I think we played some really good cricket. We've been fortunate as well. When we won that Perth Test match, when you get bowled out for 150 runs, you feel that you are under pressure a little bit. And then the attitude from the boys, how they turned up and got Australia bowled out for 100 runs, shows that there's an attitude where nobody wants to give it up until the last day of the Test match or the last over of the Test match is bowled. And that is the attitude we've been carrying for a long time now. When you tour abroad, you know that you have to put in that extra effort, have that extra bit of attitude within the team, and that is something that we showed in that Test match. And then obviously in Adelaide we were a little bit behind in the game. We didn't play well, which I admitted to. And then Brisbane, obviously there wasn't much. Only 180 or 90 overs were bowled. So after 3 Test matches, if I had to look at it being 1-1, it's a fair reflection of how both teams have played. There have been solid cricket being played by both teams, and obviously now these 2 Test matches are going to be so important for both teams. But we want to break it down to just Melbourne now and focus on what we can achieve here. Get our things right, play well, bat well, bowl well, and take some good catches as well. Look, Jaiswal, obviously he's coming here for the first time and he's already shown what he's capable of. He's got so much talent. And when you have a guy like that in your squad, in your team, you don't want to tamper too much with his mindset. Let him be as free as possible and not overburdened with too many thoughts regarding his batting. He understands his batting more than any one of us, and that's how he's played his cricket, and that's how he's scored all of his runs in domestic cricket, in international cricket. And when you have a talent like that, all you want to do is encourage more and more to make sure that he just goes out there and plays his game freely more than anything else. I think he's got the ability to play all sorts of game, whether it is holding game, whether it is trying to dominate the game. It's just about trying to figure out certain areas of his game, which I'm pretty sure he's doing along with the other guys. The guys who have played here before have been passing on some knowledge about what usually happens. Every venue here has different challenges, so it's just about adapting to those challenges, playing on different pitches. The bowlers are the same. They've got 4 seamers in their squad, and one off spinner. Obviously, they are the ones who play consistent cricket for them. So it's just about understanding what they usually do and what are their plans against certain batters when we come out to bat, and then just going out there and doing their thing. Like I said, with someone like Jaiswal, you don't want to be telling him too many things about his own batting. We want him to play the way he plays, and that's how at the top, he can be very, very dangerous. If he gets going, we all know he can be very dangerous. Look, both innings in Adelaide, I thought he looked pretty good. He just didn't went on to convert that start into a big score. He got, I think, 25, 30 odd in both innings. And I'm not going to look too much into Brisbane. Got out, second or third ball. You can't really look too much into it. But Gill has obviously been one of our young prospect who's coming up and playing really, really well. These tours can be challenging. It's the same thing when some of these teams travel to India. It's very hard for them as well. So it's the same thing. When you travel abroad, it's not that easy to put on those big runs every time you step out. But especially talking about Gill, I mean, look, his quality, we all know that. It's just about backing that quality and making sure we give clear messaging to him, and not, again, like Jaiswal, we don't want to complicate too many things with him. He understands his batting really, really well, and he has piled up so many runs coming into this Indian team before. So he knows how to score big runs. He knows his game really well, in and out. So it's just making sure that when you get those 30s, 40s, you try and get onto a big one, because getting in here is the toughest part, and when you get in, that is when you cannot leave that opportunity of scoring that big runs.